Let's hear from some of their cast members, shall we? Congratulations! Team Love is Never Gone. Well, action-packed at mainit-init, di ba? So, would you like to share how the experience was for you? Talaga nagagano na.
Hello everyone. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. Ano ba rin yung tanong? Sorry.
How was the experience for you?
Experience? Actually, sobrang excited kami na ipakita sa lahat ng Love is Never Gone kasi ito yung first time nag-shoot ng series sa Morocco. And gusto namin maipakita yung ganda ng Morocco and of course yung magandang story na ginawa ng aming mga writers. Yeah.
Cheers. Thanks for that, Joshua. What about Ivana? How about for you? How was it?
As you can see, it's very hot.
Yeah.
Yes, and of course, it's full of action. It's full of love, and it's very different. So it's really a teleserye to watch out for.
Let's hear from the rest of the cast in 1 to 2 words. What was your favorite part of the story? What did the story bring out from you? I'm gonna put you first after hearing that. Oh, okay. Action-packed. Action-packed.
Steamy scenes.
Oh, Stevie, hot nga hot. To the rest?
He is action and family.
And?
Siguro yung mga intense scene.
Intense. Ayan. So give it up again for Love is Never Gone!